how to create Amazon store account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Amazon seller. You need to sign up as an Amazon seller in order to create your store, and after that you would be able to sell the products of your choice. So simply open up the first link and this is where it will take you. Now you would be requiring some documents according to the country of your residence, and according to that you would be requiring some documents like the tax documents, your identity document, and your email address and all sort of details. So just simply click on this option of start selling and wait for it to load. And here you can just simply provide your email address, and if in case you already have an Amazon account, the normal one, you would still be able to use that particular account in order to sign up as an Amazon seller. So simply provide your password and your email and you would be able to sign in. After that, you would be requiring to provide your tax details and the card numbers and the identity card number. And this way you would be able to sign up quite easily. After verification, you would be given the access of your account and you would be able to list the products and sell them. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.